A fantastic option of an affordable aircraft, but a very potent aircraft. The JF-17 Thunder. This is the new generation multi-role light combat aircraft. It's co-developed by PAF and CATIC. The aircraft we've seen here today is one of 3 that's here this week, and go along to the static display where you'll be able to get a good close look at it as well.
نعم، طائرة متطورة. هذه الطائرة ليست طائرة تدريب، بل هي فعلا طائرة مقاتلة من إنتاج كما ذكرت باكستاني صيني.
I was talking yesterday with Major Hallen about this. There's a little bit of everything in there. If you get up close, you'll see that the inlets are very reminiscent of an F-18, and also the tail looks a little bit like an F-16, and at some angles like that, it definitely looks like an F-18 with that canard type bleeding wing at the front. The power plant is an Audi 93 turbofan engine, and with military thrust on board you're going to be going about 5,000 kg, but if you like the afterburner you'll get it just under 9,000.